Hi, Miss Cherry. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Cherry Moniz Malin. I am 35 years old from General Santos City, South Cotabato, Philippines. I am a single mother.
Do you have kids?
Yes, sir. I have one kid, ages 5 years old boy.
Who will take care of your child if you come to Hong Kong?
My mother.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings, one sister and one brother, and I am the second child in the family.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am a college level. I did not finish my college because my parents cannot afford my tuition fees.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes, sir. I worked in Hong Kong for 7 months from May 2025 to January 2026. I do all around household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing. And I was taking care of the children ages 14 years old boy, 11 years old girl, and 4 years old girl. And I have experience also here in the Philippines as a housemaid from employer two couple with newborn baby. I do all around household chores like cleaning, cooking, and laundry, ironing, and babysitting.
Did you finish your contract?
In Hong Kong, sir, I did not finish my contract because I cannot handle two autistic kids. But here in the Philippines, I finished my contract.
How would you describe yourself?
I am respectful, honest, and trustworthy.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to go abroad?
To earn money to support my family and to support the study of my child.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Are you scared of cat or dogs?
Yes, sir. I am afraid of cats and dogs.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
By showing them that I care for them and playing with them and being a friend to them.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, if you're gonna hire me, I promise to finish my contract and to extend if you need me. Promise to treat you like my own family and to learn to speak Cantonese and to cook more Chinese food. Thank you.